Hey guys, today I'm going to use Microsoft Word to teach you how to do 4 things. So overall, I'm going to teach you how to change font, how to change font color, how to insert a picture, and lastly, how to add a border. So first off is how to change font, which is quite easy. All you do is go to this box right here and click on the downwards arrow. A list of different fonts will then come into view in the form that they will appear in if you choose them. For example, if I choose the font Bradley Hand and start typing, the text will be in the same form as the Bradley Hand option, as in they look the same. You can also just start typing in the font that it gives you initially and change it after. To do this, you just highlight the text and click on the font you want. So I'm just going to highlight this paragraph, go to Bradley Hand again, and voila. Alright, so I've showed you how to change font. So next I'll teach you how to change font color. So this is actually quite easy and similar to changing font style. To start, you go to this box right here and click on the downwards arrow. Choose the font color you want, and then if you start typing, right. And then click on the font you want. I don't know if that, yeah. It is actually in the font, but it's really thin, so you can't really see it. Okay, so, yeah, you can just start typing and then, no, you can initially click on the font you want and then start typing, or you can highlight a whole paragraph and go to the font you want and it'll be changed. You still can't see it, but it's there. The font color has changed. So next, I'm going to teach you how to insert a picture. You should have already saved a picture to one of your files beforehand. Then you can just go to the Insert tab here at the top and click it. Go to Picture, and like normally, my pictures file will appear. But if you saved it somewhere else, then you can just go to where you've saved it. So I'm just going to choose a picture from here. Alright, the Instagram thing. See, sometimes it can mess up your text. Like this and this have been separated now because of inserting the picture. So just right click, go to wrap text, and then click in front of text. And then you can just move it to the place you want. So yeah, that's it. Okay, lastly, I'll be teaching you how to insert a border. You can insert a page border or just a border around a paragraph. To add a border on a paragraph, just highlight the text you want to add a border around. And go to page layout over here. Under the page background section, click on page border and go to borders instead of page border. You can change the border settings. You can adjust style, color, width. So I'm just going to choose box, this border. And make sure when you want to apply the border to the paragraph, instead of text you choose paragraph, or else it'll just mess everything up. Then you just click OK, and there. Alright, you can also change a page border, and to this you just do the same thing. Click on page borders, leave the tab on page border instead of just going to borders, and I'm just going to do the same thing. Oh, and this time, instead of just line styles, you can also choose art as a border. I'm just going to do that instead this time. Alright, this. And you can apply to the whole document, a certain section, first page only, all except first page you can do. Just play around with it. I'm just going to choose whole document since I only have one page, and OK. There it is. Alright, so I've shown you how to change font, how to change font color, how to insert a picture, and lastly how to add a border. I've still got some time left, so I guess I'll just show you a few more things. So instead of just a picture, you can also insert something called clip art, which is Microsoft Word's pictures that they've installed. So you can just click it. Okay, so make sure a check mark is in this box right here, so you can have more content. And then just and then just type in what kind of picture you want and click go, and there's a whole list here.